I hope David's on tonight because I have to tell him my man was correct. Last night he was like 23 next Tuesday? Question. I'm like, no, not that cold. Well, it looks like it will be. It's going to be very cold next week. No week. There he is, David. Yeah, David. Did you hear what I just said? You were on the money with next Thursday's low. It's looking like low 20s for sure. Weather Service is going 20. We're going about 25 right now. What did the horse say after it tripped? Help, I've fallen and I can't giddy up. That's a great ranch joke for you and the fam. Next time you guys are around the table, next big family gathering at the Whitney Ranch at Whitney Acres. What do you call it?
Buffalo Nickel Ranch.
Buffalo Nickel. I think you need to change it. Whitney Acres.
Whitney Acres. It's also called Whitney Ranch, but they mostly do.
Yeah, I'd like to see you change it. I don't like that, Buffalo Nickel. See what they say. I don't know if that'll go over, but we'll try. Are they slam dunking tonight? Oh. What's the what? Rising Stars? No way. In Leon Valley? No, not in Leon Valley, Sarah. I think we're gonna have to go really far north to get any kind of snow next week. Happy Friday night. Bill Taylor here, Ken's 5 Digital Center. Friday night blessings, Valentine's night blessings to you and yours. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful night celebrating love, faith, hope, and love. The greatest of which is love, for sure. Hope you're having a good one. All right, temperatures outside tonight, 47 to 48. Pretty much the rule in the city and metro. 50. It gets warmer when you go farther north. This is unusual, right? You go to Fredericksburg for 51, Junction 57. The warmest on the map is Junction, and not Del Rio, not even Cuero or Kennedy, with all these numbers that are 10. In fact, how rare to see Junction 10 degrees warmer than Kennedy, Texas. That's unbelievable. Seguin's at 47, San Marcos 2, and this isn't much different than what we saw with afternoon highs. That would be 49 for San Antonio, 51 at Hondo. Uvalde climbed to 53 or 4, 65 Del Rio. That's a little more seasonal. That's where we all should be. 47 San Marcos, 49 Seguin, 48 Bernie. Hey, Brian, all is well, my brother. Hope you're doing good. 75th. Yep. K-E-Y-L. You got that right. K-E-Y-L first, then the Express News Station. That's why it's Ken's. Ken's 5 Television on the air tomorrow. 75 years. Incredible birthday. John Coombs. Oh, I'm so sorry. I know it's going to get a lot colder next week. None taken. Only telling you guys what's going to happen. I don't make the weather. So yeah, this is, let's see, tonight, like I said, we're not going to see temperatures drop much overnight at all. Let me show you, speaking of overnight, getting a little bit of a mist out there. So I wanted to take a look. See, you're not going to see anything on radar. So what we'll do is take a look at visibility. Sometimes a good proxy for the drizzle. Yeah, look at that. Right on the money. So it's a little bit of a drizzle out there, which will probably keep things a bit slippery Saturday morning. Even though it's not measurable rainfall, this mist not going to let up overnight. Fog not going to let up overnight. So I do see fog being an issue tomorrow morning. Although earlier, let's see if this model has changed its story. Keeping most of the fog, the thickest fog in the hill country tomorrow morning. There's 5 a.m., Half Mile, Kerrville, Rock Springs, Fredericksburg. It's about as low as it gets. But for San Antonio, the lowest it gets is about 6. Not bad. And it's all gone by mid-morning. I think by tomorrow afternoon, that's going to be the big change, okay? By tomorrow afternoon, now look, in the overnight, day parter is going to show you, or I should say now, night parter. You can see from San Antonio International, which is pretty socked in. We can't even see the runway lights. Look at that. Notice temperatures will go up a few degrees in the overnight hours. We may have already, well, obviously not hitting our low for Saturday yet, but we could hit the low at midnight at 49. If this holds true, if this forecast of temperatures holds right, that low of 49 might be at midnight, and then temperatures just get warmer for Saturday from there. But it will be in the neighborhood. It'll be a 3 to 5 degree range from now to probably about mid-morning tomorrow. I'm not expecting temperatures to do much of anything. No, I worked with Dan Cook for several years. Absolutely. I've been here almost 30 years now. Blessed to work with him, know him. Great man. Bob Salter, great man, rest in peace. Dan Cook, rest in peace. Fred Lozano, rest in peace. Worked with Chris Maru for several years. Yeah, I got to work with all those legends of Ken's. It was fantastic. Albert Flores. All right, take a look at the numbers today, where we should be compared to where we've been landing, right? We should be starting the day at 45 and go to 67. 37 is where we started, but then 49, obviously the high closer to the average low. Half an inch of rain in the gauge. I don't expect good measurable rain until probably Tuesday. I guess you can, again, expect this mist overnight and early tomorrow, but don't expect measurable rain. Now, speaking of tomorrow, a warming wind. Let's talk about the winds first. It'll be a breezy day. At times, the south winds will kick up. You can see 16 to 18 mile per hour gusts at times tomorrow. And that's going to be south, and that's going to be a warming wind. By the evening hours, you see the wind shifting right here. So maybe as early as 6 p.m. even, but definitely by 8, 9, 10 p.m., we're going to have a pretty good north wind blowing in. And Saturday night, overnight into Sunday morning is when the winds will just pick up from there. So there's your Sunday morning winds. 25 to 30 mile per hour gusts could occur Sunday morning. They back off pretty quickly by the afternoon, so not too bad. But the bigger story is going to be the temperature difference from Saturday to Sunday, because we'll probably, watch this, we will stay under the clouds. You're going to probably lose hope by about 11 or 12 o'clock. Like, man, I thought it was going to get sunny today. And then here it comes. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock hop. Then 77, according to this model, on an afternoon high. 80s to the west. Del Rio, 84. That'd be nice, right? 82 Uvalde. So 4 o'clock, a good warm-up. And then Sunday, the cool down. Oh, wait. Let's see how far we can go. Sunday morning, we'll flirt with the 30s. Hill Country goes to the 30s. Let's do that. 7 o'clock Sunday. All right, go ahead. Yeah, let's do it. Change privileges here for a second. So this is a taste of what's heading in next week. This is going to be Sunday morning, cold Sunday morning. 41 in the city, 39 Bernie, 38 Kerrville. We should be partly cloudy, but if it's not enough cloud cover, those temperatures could go even lower in the hill country. I'll say that. All right. Now you can see what happens Sunday afternoon. There's our high, 59 to 60.
Part of the deal, Henry Rollins. We're back on time.
7 o'clock. So yeah, about a 15 to 20 degree swing from Saturday to Sunday. Then the bigger cold front. That's going to be on Tuesday into Wednesday. The best rain chance is coming in Tuesday with this. And then the moisture kicks east. So there's Sunday's rain. Notice that we don't get any rain with this Saturday night front either. Good dip in temps. We recover a little more Monday, a little bit more Tuesday. Tuesday, the rain chance. And here it is right here. And this model wants to keep it pretty far east. We will have a chance of rain. And then that moisture moves out before the cold really settles in. And let's talk about that cold. 14-day forecast. Hey, Catherine, Lise, what's going on? Hey, Tom, you're welcome. Why do chicken coops only have 2 doors? If they had 4, they would be chicken sedans. I like that one. That's a really good one. All right, weekend is first. What I noticed earlier, by the way, that the last 2 weekends of February are flipped, right? They're both split. But like, for instance, Saturday, warm at 74 with afternoon sun. Sunday, cold, high of 59. Saturday, cold, 53. Sunday, warm on the final weekend of the month. So they're just going to trade places. And the rain chance, Tuesday night, right now only 30%. We could, by the way, Monday morning, I would prepare your pets and your plants for a light freeze. But when we get to Wednesday, you need to prepare the pipes. Prepare the peps too. Why not? Why not? Better safe than sorry. Prepare your peps, but your pipes on Wednesday. You know, I had wrapped them earlier when we had that last good hard freeze. I kept them wrapped outside. The exterior pipes, mine are still wrapped. So you can pick up that foam covering at a Lowe's or Home Depot, I'm sure. But get that, have that around those exterior pipes. Excuse me, you'll want to drip the faucets Wednesday night as we go down to the mid-20s in the city. Near 20 in the outlying areas, Hill Country, teens for sure. Teens for sure. And, you know, Wednesday, we have weather impact alerts because of how windy and cold it'll be Wednesday. And then how cold it's going to be Thursday morning. 48 the high, a little more chilly on Friday. Another surge of cold air, cloud cover. Only 53 Saturday the 22nd. Then back to the 70s for a few days. So it's an interesting, again, seesaw of temperatures. Yeah, right, Lisa? Keep them wrapped. And like I said, bring the plants in Sunday night. And definitely Wednesday night. Definitely Wednesday night. Guys, that's going to wrap things up. It is Friday night. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. God bless you. And we'll see you at 10.